We started a new thing called TikTok Tested. I can't even say we started, it was once.
We had a TikTok test.
We did a live YouTube video recently, and for whatever reason, got cut off like halfway. We didn't get to finish, so I want to make sure we do. So if you're coming over from that video, this will be the completion of that fun idea. If this is your first time jumping on, then welcome to a TikTok Tested. We've all seen this video. We've all seen those recipes that just go viral on TikTok for one reason or another. This one seemed plausible to me, CJ.
It's very doable. I know all about it.
I'm a fan of tradition. I like doing things the way they've always been done. However, every once in a while, a little hack, a little TikTok viral recipe makes a lot of sense. So I'm gonna show you guys the trifold, maybe quadrofold, whatever you wanna call it, the folded quesadilla technique. We're gonna put it to the test and see if it's everything that it's cracked up to be. So this is TikTok tested. Should we
number one.
Call it that?
Yes.
TikTok tested number one?
Yep.
Let's do it. We're gonna start with the thing that takes the longest, which is our chicken. Today I am using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you get really close, CJ, you can see why I love the chicken thigh. It's all the fat. Fat is flavor, and that's what I want in my quesadilla. So this is very, very simple. I'm just gonna hit this with just a bit of olive oil, toss it around to get the olive oil coated on all sides. I've got my Blackstone at medium-high heat. Now I'm not gonna season these yet. Might sound weird. Not gonna season them just yet.
Weird.
I don't want the seasoning to burn, but I do want to cook the chicken quickly. We're gonna season later, and it'll all work out.
Makes sense.
Trust me. So once your chicken is done, that's when we're gonna season, but we'll get to that in just a minute. Let's talk about our sauce. It's a really simple sauce. I mean, it's basically 3 ingredients. We're gonna start with a bowl. The base of our sauce is sour cream, so add a nice healthy helping of sour cream, CJ. We're also gonna add some of my favorite, this is quick and easy, I don't like too many shortcuts, but this one is definitely okay, the Herdez Roja sauce. Roja.
That's right.
We're gonna add some of that as well. I also wanna put a little bit of lime juice. I want some more of that acidity, some more of that punch, a little bit of sweetness as well. You know what, if you wanted to, you could add a 4th ingredient. You could add some of our tequila lime seasoning to that, just to give it a little bit of color and a bit more flavor. Mix it up, and Bob's your uncle. Very, very simple sauce. Now let's get to a couple of our other ingredients. I have some jalapeno. We're just gonna slice that nice and thin. You have anything to say about that one, CJ?
I'm not gonna.
I could hear you.
Nope.
I could hear your thoughts.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Nope, that's a little more Italian.
It's an Italian pepper, jalapeno. Nope. It grew in Italy?
Jalapeno.
What's my wife doing in Italy? Wrong show. Dang it.
Wrong show.
Get out of my head. We're gonna slice up some jalapeno nice and thin. I also wanna do the same thing to just a bit of cilantro, but not tiny. I want bigger chunks of cilantro, so a very, very rough chop. Now, once our chicken is completely cooked, then we're gonna bring it back to our cutting board and chop it up nice and small. Cut it how you like. I personally like much smaller pieces of chicken. And also, if you'll notice, look how juicy it is. Crazy juicy because we cooked the thighs whole. That maintains all of that moisture on the inside. Now's where we season. You can season right on your board. That is absolutely okay. I'm gonna hit that with some of our tequila lime seasoning. I'm also gonna go with some of our hatch chili and cheddar. It brings it a nice richness to the flavor. Toss that all together. Give it a taste if you need to, but be generous. Be generous. If your Blackstone is a bit funky, you can give it a scrape and a clean because we want a clean surface. We want full connectivity with our tortilla. Now today I'm using the largest tortillas that you can find. We're gonna just slice one little section, one quadrant, 1/4 right here. We need this little line because that's what's gonna create our fold later. Now I have some shredded cheese. Go nice and even all around. Use as much or as little as you like. Actually, I wouldn't say go too heavy because this is gonna be a bit more substantial. CJ knows we made these the other day.
Exactly.
So you don't want to add so much cheese that when you fold it, it's just, gargantuan. So be nice and even and semi-generous. Moderately generous with your cheese. Now we're gonna add some chicken to 1 quadrant. Do this if you like. Do the cilantro and the jalapeno over all of the quadrants, over one of the all of them. Do all of them so we have layers and layers of goodness. Let's do some sauce over all of that as well. And the last thing I wanna do is some tahini. Now if you haven't had tahini, where have you been?
So
Whoa.
Good.
Whoa,
So good.
so good. It is potent, so you don't need to be crazy generous, less than moderately generous. Which would be what?
That amount, I don't know.
Slightly generous.
Yeah.
That. Over the top, this is a mid-dust. I'll give CJ Frazier some credit there. Now to fold this, we're gonna start with that cut side, Folding the first quarter, then folding again to the third, second, third, I don't know what all the numbers are, folding up. Basically, you have layers and layers of crispiness at this point. You can give it a little push to flatten it out just a little bit, but that's the gist of it. That's at least what I get from TikTok, CJ.
Dude, it's that simple, and honestly,
it looks fantastic.
Freaking awesome.
The layers, they're making me feel things.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's give it a try. Let's cut one first. Check out the goods. Oh, dude, layers. CJ.
The layers are the thing, dude.
I know you don't always love what I make. I have a feeling you're gonna love this.
Darn right I am.
Look at that. Where do they get a load of me?
Come on.
Wrong.
Cut it out.
Show.
Honestly, it's like this thing you just really miss mindset.
Not right now. It's better in quesadilla you ever made. Holy cow. Okay. We said TikTok tested. Want to see if it's real. Layers of crisp. Layers of crunch. This tested and approved. Kid tested, mother. Wrong! Show. Go to CJ Show for those and came in. It was the tahini. It's got a little kick in there.
Gotcha.
Dang, it's so good. Wow. I don't even want to finish this episode. They're that good. They're that good. Try this at home. Try it at home. You won't be upset. There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, all the fun metaphors, all that stuff. Tested, approved. TikTok tested, Nathan approved.
All right, well, you got yours. Now it's time to do a real fun one on my show.
This was real fun.
Was it?
I thought it was real fun. If you thought so too, let me know in the comments down below. If you've tried this before, I'd like to know how it went for you. If you haven't, you have to give it a try. I fully support this message. I'm Nathan Lippy from Cook Eat Repeat, and I support this message. So good. Be sure to check the subscribe button down below. If you're on YouTube, click the bell icon so you get a video every single time that we post. Check us out on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, wherever else you are, all the fun stuff. This is Cook Eat Repeat. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. I got nothing, but this is delicious, and go try it. That's it.
That's it.
It's that good.
That's it.
I didn't say this about the oysters. They were good.
World-renowned chef denounces oysters over chicken quesadilla that he learned from me.
I didn't denounce oysters. I'm just saying.
I know what you're saying.
My kids are going to love this one. So will yours. See you guys in the next video.